Aries, this is your October end reading for the third party energies, and this is a general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone. And in this reading, we will try to learn about the energies of your person with respect to you, and your energy with respect to this person that you are dealing with or thinking about, and the future of this relationship. We will also pull two oracle card in order to see that what is happening currently in the situation and what is the guidance for you for the month of October. Okay, Aries, this is your person energies, this is your energy, and this is the energy. I'm sorry, this is the future of this relationship. We'll also pull two oracle card now. Just think about the situation, think about the question that you need an answer for, and try to drop down the questions in the comment section so that whenever I do a reading, I just have this thing in my mind and I can pull the energies of pull your energies when I do the reading. Okay, so you can do this with your, we have picture, we have camera, and in the bottom of the deck we have wedding rings. Beautiful energy, Aries. Okay, Aries, we have a strong fire energy in this prayer. We also have the earth sign. So you might be dealing with a Capricorn, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, Sagittarius, and Aries. You might be dealing with yourself a strong energy of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So you might be dealing with another fire sign. And it's a very beautiful energy, Aries, very beautiful energy. So what is happening here is the world card, which is your partner's energy. It represents that one cycle of a situation is getting over, or is complete now. So for those of you whose partner was not in talking terms with them, they will be coming back. High chances that they are coming back. For those of you whose partner was not in a committed relationship with you and they were in a committed relationship with the other person, they are going to end that relationship with the other person and going to come in your life. For very few, this might be a situation where your partner is closing a cycle with you and they are moving on with the third party. But this is a very specific message. This might be a situation for very few of you. We have two oracle cards, camera and picture, which strongly suggests that they are your partner. They're missing you. They are looking at the pictures, or they are having nostalgic moments about how it used to be. And this is also your energy, Aries. You are also looking at the old photographs and you're reading the old text, and you are reminiscing the relationship, the kind of relationship that you had with your partner, and you are remembering it, and you are trying to remember how it was. But then there is a difference. Your partner is missing you when they look at the picture, but you, when you look at the picture, it's not like you are not missing them. You are missing them, but then you are also treating those pictures as lessons. So this is a very important thing. So these are the two things that is happening. So for very few of you, your partner is actually ending all the relations with you, uh, all the relations with you, and they're going to start afresh, and you are also going to start afresh. But this is a very specific message for most of you. What is going to happen is that your partner is going to end a cycle of love with a third party, and you are in that beautiful energy, Aries, Queen of Wands. You are in your bold and dominating energy right now. And the Leo is also having the same kind of energy right now, which you have. In the only difference is you are the Queen of Wands and they were king there. So you are in your energy, in that energy where you are focusing on uh, you are focusing on your independence and your career and the money that you are having. This is what you are focusing on, and you are right now in your very beautiful and charming stage. You are attracting a lot of people, you are attracting wealth right now, Aries. And whoever sees you right now, you and that energy, they feel so attracted towards you. You have that magnetic pull inside you right now. You are in that energy, and this, if you are not, then this, take it as a sign that you should come back into your real energy form, Aries. This is the time. Now moving forward, what is happening is this relationship by the end of October, or in the new near October, it might not be limited to October, but this relationship, for most of you, this relationship is something which will be a permanent union. It's a you know uh, it's a fresh start. You guys were not having good energies together, and then voila, something happened to you. You changed, and your person changed. They realize your worth, and now they want to have a fresh start with you, and they want to have a fresh romantic start with you. They are attracted towards you, they are sexually attracted towards you. They are taking inspiration from you, and you are in that creative energy of yours right now, that they want to reignite the passion, they want to renew the passion with you. And for very few of you, this might also be a case that this person is leaving, their cycle is completing and they are leaving, and you are with somebody new. And this new person, they are going to have a permanent bond with you. Okay, Aries. So if you are in that queen era of yours, it's not a gender based card. So if you are a man, even you can be in the queen era. So if you are in that era of yours where you are radiating glow and success and self love and self care, then you are going to meet a new person very soon. They are going to enter in your life much better, much wealthier, much lovable. And this new person is your soul connection. So it's a beautiful energy. If you are ending with your partner, if you are still in your in your love with your partner, and you are not, they have not completed the cycle and they're coming back to you, leaving their third party, then also this relationship is going to be reignited. The romance, the love, the passion towards each other is going to be reunited. In case they have completed one cycle with you and they are going to move forward to start a new cycle, then you will meet new person, a fresh start, a new start, a very you know rich and abundant person. For very few of you, this might also be a situation where you are in that self love and self care phase, are starting a new job. So this might not be just a person, this might also be an opportunity, a work opportunity for very few of you. And for the others, a new person is going to enter into your life, and this person is going to renew the passion. They are going to inspire you, make you more creative. They are going to uplift you, they are going to make you feel alive again. And this might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And very strong suggestion that you might be dealing with your energy. So this might be a new person who is in Aries, or this might be you who is showing yourself some love and respect. And we have the wedding bell wedding rings card in the bottom of the deck. So for some of you, this relationship is going to end up in marriage, and union. And this is a love where you devote yourself to each other, you truly love each other, and you're connected to each other not because of some ulterior motives, like you are having a good career and that's why this person is attracted to you, or you have money, that is why this person is attracted towards you, or you are beautiful or handsome, that is why they are attracted. No, they will be attracted towards you because they see you, they see what is inside you, the inside personality of yours, because it's a soul connection. So they are connecting with your soul and not your materialistic aspect or outer appearances. So beautiful energy right now, Aries. Those of you who are looking for an answer that what the person is thinking, so for some of you they are thinking to end this relationship, but nevertheless, even if they end it, you are going to end up with you are going to find a very very good and nice person. And this fresh start is will be something permanent, something that you were looking for, something that you were seeking here. You'll find it here, okay? And for some of you, this might be an end of one cycle. They are realizing your worth. They can see the queen era of yours, the queen era of your love and career and everything, and they are coming back to you, ending this relationship in toto. So if they are coming back, they are coming back forever. There's no going back. You feel secure about that. If they come to you and they apologize, they tell you that they are missing you, they are thinking about the memories that they had with you, then they truly are thinking about that memories, okay, Aries? And for if you are asking that what should you do in this situation, so the card highly suggests that though you are also imagining or thinking about the moments that you spent with this person, but you need to be in your charm and independent era. You need to allure, you need to attract, and you will attract. You are not that kind of a person who chases. So you know your worth, and you are going to put it forward. For those of you whose partners are not committing to them in front of the public, they are like, okay, let's just keep it hidden and not tell our families till the time we are doing this or that. Then you need to tell them to be open about their relationship, be open, tell the people about the relationship. You are not in that energy where you are going to stay hidden forever and you are going to settle for less. You are in that phase where you are demanding not more, but not neither more nor less, but what you deserve, and you deserve queen treatment. So this is what you're looking for, and this is what you should get, and you should ask for it, okay? So your energy, Aries, right now is it's passionate, self-assured, and magnetic, and you are demanding authenticity and loyalty, and you are going to get it. If God forbid it's not from this person, then the new person that is going to enter in your life, most probably a fire sign, and this person or this relationship will be a fresh relationship, a fresh opportunity for you to start your romantic life with all the bold moves and desires that you had. You were thinking that I will do this and we'll have this kind of relationship, and I'll do this with my person, I'll go there with my person. This is going to happen. This is going to happen with a new person, okay? So stand in your power, radiate, and be magnetic. Your partner has reached a turning point and they are going to end an old pattern or the third party loop. So they are going to end that. For most of you, the third party situation will end, so keep that in mind. They are going to end it. And then we have the Ace of Wands, which means that new phase, renewed passion is going to be appear very soon. And some of you might meet somebody new, but for the others it will be a fresh start with the person that you are dealing with. And the pictures card clearly shows that your person is missing you. They are thinking about you, they want to come back, and they are looking at those pictures, the time that they spent together, and they are having nostalgia about it. And the relationship, be this person coming back or a new person getting entry into your life, is going to be a permanent union. So This is your energy, Aries, for the month of October in a third party situation. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please do hit like and subscribe. And if you have any question in your mind, please drop it in the comment section below for a yes or no reading, okay?